26. In order to go to Antarctica, you have to volunteer. It's not a duty station where you are ordered to go. I was able to get orders to Antarctic Development Squadron 6, which is referred to as VXE-6.
And its mission would be described as what generally?
The mission basically was supplying to out camps, science parties from McMurdo Station to South Pole, back and forth.
Talk about sort of the route and what you guys began to see on a repeated basis.
During our 95, 96 season, my crew was doing a lot of back and forth to Pole. Mainly it was cargo resupply, personnel exchanges. That season, prior to us doing missions, we were told by some of our officers that if we saw something flying, that we weren't supposed to say anything.
Oh, so you knew that people were already warning about, but you had not seen.
Right. So somewhere around December, we were flying a mission from McMurdo, and my loadmaster in the back, he gets on the intercom on the ICS and he says, "Hey, there's something off to the left here kind of shimmering." So I went up to the flight deck and I'm looking out the big windows and I see these little disc-shaped objects. There was probably 4 or 5 of them, and they were, at first, when I first saw them, they were just stationary over one mountain peak. And then all of a sudden, I'm looking at them, and one of them takes off by itself and flies at an incredible speed to the next mountaintop and stops. And then another one in the group takes off and heads toward where the first one went.
What did the pilot say?
That was kind of funny. My pilot gets on the intercom and he kind of jokingly goes, "Well, all I can tell you is they're not ours." Not ours? What are you talking about? And then I think back to the little brief we got about if we see something down there, don't say anything. If we see something else flying around. So now this all rings true. It's like, so they weren't just pulling our leg and joking with us. There's actually something going on here.
And it kept happening.
Yeah, so it happened at least 2 other times.
Could Brian's incredible story reveal that there are government and military personnel who are aware of an extraterrestrial presence on Earth? Ancient